Virtual reality is becoming more advanced and affordable than ever in 2026. In this video, we'll take a look at the 5 top-rated VR headsets for value that give you the best combination of performance, features, comfort, and price. Whether you're a beginner, a gamer, or looking for an immersive entertainment experience, these VR headsets are some of the best choices you can buy right now. Starting at number 1. Meta Quest 3S 128GB. The Meta Quest 3S 128GB, Gorilla Tag Cardboard Monkeynaut Bundle, Amazon exclusive, is a standalone wireless VR and mixed reality headset that delivers immersive gaming and entertainment without the need for a PC or console. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 platform, it offers up to twice the graphical performance of the Quest 2 for smoother gameplay, faster load times, and enhanced mixed reality experiences. The 128GB storage provides ample space for apps and games, while the bundle includes exclusive Gorilla Tag Cardboard Monkeynaut in-game content, featuring the Gorilla Space Program suit and helmet along with 2000 shiny rocks. Buyers also receive a 3-month trial of Meta Horizon Plus, unlocking access to a rotating library of 100-plus VR games and experiences. With full-color pass-through, intuitive Touch Plus controllers, hand tracking, and a completely wire-free design offering over 2 hours of battery life, the Meta Quest 3S is an excellent choice for immersive gaming, fitness, social experiences, and virtual exploration. Number 2. Meta Quest 3 512GB. The Meta Quest 3 512GB, Gorilla Tag Cardboard Monkeynaut Bundle, Amazon exclusive, is a premium standalone VR and mixed reality headset that delivers an immersive, wire-free experience for gaming, entertainment, fitness, and productivity. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor, it offers 4K+ infinite display resolution with advanced pancake lenses, providing nearly 30% sharper visuals than previous generation headsets, along with full-color mixed reality pass-through that seamlessly blends virtual content with your physical surroundings. The generous 512GB of storage accommodates a large library of games and apps, while the bundle includes exclusive Gorilla Tag Cardboard Monkeynaut digital content, featuring the Gorilla Space Program suit and helmet plus 2000 shiny rocks. Buyers also receive a 3-month trial of Meta Horizon Plus, granting access to a rotating catalog of 100-plus VR games and experiences. With intuitive Touch Plus controllers, advanced hand tracking, and a completely wireless design, the Meta Quest 3 provides a powerful all-in-one VR platform for immersive gaming, social experiences, creative applications, and mixed reality exploration. Number 3. HTC Vive Focus. The HTC Vive Focus Vision Wired Bundle with Facial Tracker is a premium hybrid VR headset package designed for both standalone and high-fidelity PC VR experiences. The bundle includes the Vive Focus Vision headset, a DisplayPort wired streaming kit, and the Vive Facial Tracker, enabling visually lossless, low-latency PC streaming while capturing realistic facial expressions for social VR applications such as VRChat. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 platform, the headset features dual 2448x2448 LCD displays, 5K combined resolution, a 120 degrees field of view, and support for up to 120Hz refresh rate in DisplayPort mode. It also includes built-in eye tracking, automatic IPD adjustment, full-color mixed reality pass-through, hand tracking, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, a hot-swappable battery, and expandable storage via microSD. The included facial tracker accurately captures lip, jaw, and cheek movements to create more expressive avatars, while the wired DisplayPort connection delivers the highest quality PC VR performance with minimal latency, making this bundle an excellent choice for gamers, creators, and VR enthusiasts seeking an immersive and professional-grade virtual reality experience. Number 4. Pimax Crystal Super VR Headset. The Pimax Crystal Super VR headset is a high-end wired PC VR headset built for enthusiasts who demand exceptional visual clarity in flight simulators, racing simulators, and immersive gaming. It features an ultra-sharp 3840x3840 resolution per eye, premium glass aspheric lenses, and an expansive 140 degrees horizontal field of view on the ultra-wide model, delivering breathtaking detail and a highly immersive viewing experience. Equipped with 120Hz eye tracking, dynamic foveated rendering 2.0, and automatic IPD adjustment, the headset optimizes performance while maintaining crystal clear visuals where you're looking. Designed for DisplayPort PC connectivity, it provides low latency, uncompressed video output, making it ideal for demanding simulation titles. Additional features include inside-out SLAM tracking with the option to expand to lighthouse tracking, interchangeable optical engines, local dimming QLED displays, variable 72/90Hz refresh rates, integrated microphones, and ergonomic comfort, making the Pimax Crystal Super one of the most advanced PC VR headsets available for serious gamers and simulation enthusiasts. Number 5. Oculus Rift. The Oculus Rift is a pioneering PC-powered virtual reality headset that helped bring immersive VR gaming and experiences to mainstream consumers. Featuring dual OLED displays with a combined resolution of 2160 by 1200, 1080 by 1200 per eye, and a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, it delivers sharp visuals and responsive performance for an engaging virtual reality experience. The headset offers 6 degrees of freedom, 6DoF, positional tracking through external sensors, allowing users to move naturally within virtual environments, while the included Oculus Touch controllers provide precise motion tracking and intuitive hand interactions. Built-in spatial audio headphones enhance immersion, and the headset connects to a compatible Windows PC via HDMI and USB. Compatible with the Oculus and Steam VR platforms, the Oculus Rift supports a wide library of VR games, simulations, and creative applications, making it a landmark device in the evolution of consumer virtual reality. So, these are the best value VR headsets in 2026 that offer amazing virtual reality experiences without overspending. All product links for buying are available in the video description, so check them out if you're ready to enter the world of VR. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more latest tech reviews and buying guides.